Alright YouTube, real quick, because I have a lot more to shoot, so I'm just doing a real quick short for an update. But both the rear end plates are finished for the Brazilian car and scooter. I am working on building the track arms, or not the track arms, the torque arms right now. And I have another one here that is going to be the last of the 3 I have on future builds. We'll get to that here in just a second. But I wanted to show you guys that we have the rear end in. The plate's on. Of course, you can see the Heim joint just hanging down there. I'm in the process of making the arm for that. And we've got frame ties going in. Let's see through the glass. Frame ties going in. I just picked up the rest of the material to finish boxing that in. So everything's going to be moving very quick from here. The new up and coming project that just showed up. So we have this coming after I get the 2 in the garage finished up. I have fuel injection system stuff we desperately need to get going on this, and an engine getting built hopefully before the season starts. And then I may be picking up a Saturn donor car shortly for the swap on this one, so I can get Mr. Ticky out from underneath the hood. Lots more coming. I'll see you guys here shortly.